Incorporated, Sagip Buhay Foundation Incorporated, Mount Elizabeth Hospital, AgriPro Premier Nutrition Incorporated, Dash Cargo, Nation Paper Products and Printing Corporation, Arcoland, Johnny Walker Blue Label, Philippine National Bank, Chan Huan Chen Zhuyuan, Evergreen Cereals, Chua Beng Peng, Shen Mingping, Federation of Filipino Chinese Alumni Association Incorporated, Anigo Yang Shuming, Ford Tractor Philippines, Hightop Supermarket, SJS Precision Corporation, New AG Stylist Furniture, WL Food Products, PG Flex Linoleum and Maruyama Tarpaulin, Conchita Go, Lucio Hua, Wonderful Trading, Enrique Chua, Cai Bijin, Sharon Tan, Shi Yurong. Once again, thank you to all our partners. Please take your seats as our program will begin shortly.